My name is Anthony Nunez, and I was born and raised in the Bronx. I've always wanted to be a positive change agent in the borough. I grew up the son of a superintendent. Therefore, I would often be awoken by tenant complaints in the middle of the night, some of which, 3 o'clock in the morning, a small drip, non-emergency issue. So I totally understand the tenant-landlord relationship issues. I originally went into real estate with the mindset that I would be buying properties and, with the assistance of my father, be flipping them or buying distressed properties, fixing them up, and then renting them out. However, when he passed away, real estate became something different for me. It became a way to stay connected to him. And I went into more the sales and landlord side of real estate. I created this YouTube channel because I wanted to broaden my reach. I'm a teacher by trade, and I do real estate as a second job. And I thought that this channel can serve as a way to educate a broad audience on real estate matters and personal finance matters. From an educational standpoint, I've attained a bachelor's degree from Stony Brook University, a master's degree from Columbia University, a master's in public administration from Pace University, and other licenses from the College of St. Rose. However, the bulk of my real estate education comes from the Hudson Gateway Association of Realtors, which offers an enormous amount of courses on various topics in real estate. For me, I'm a lifelong learner. I'm going to continuously look to improve myself in various trades, and this channel is just going to serve as a way to, as I learn, I teach, and hopefully build a community of positive people who are doing great things in this world.